Tany B. She's adventure, free like the sea. And Sint Maarten, feet in the sand, don't wanna leave. Sint Maarten, sipping her hand, enjoy.
Okay guys, so we are about to head out to Loterie Farm on this lovely Saturday. I'm so ready. I got my swimsuit on. I know you probably can't see it. I got my swimsuit on. I got my shoes on. It's giving the vibes of the Loterie Farm, so I'm ready. We about to head out shortly. And yeah, other than that, I hope I have so much fun today. Thank you God for the day. We are here. Let me close my balcony door. Y'all can see the views out here. Vibes. But yes. On our way to Loterie Farm. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Loterie Farm, we're here. I still have to vlog. I got in a car accident.
We're live.
We're live. How about not only did I get in a car accident, I was on the steepest hill and had the car in reverse and stepped on the gas and we started rolling down a little bit. But luckily, I hurried up and put it in drive. But luckily, we have a Jeep and nothing really bad happened. Then we're driving and we get to the destination and I freaking leave the car and drive and on and get out.
I missed my medicine yesterday.
Thank God for Tisha, because I don't know what would have happened. My anxiety is so high right now. I was crying. Yeah, but we made it. We're gonna have a good day.
Hold on. Is you from the United States of...
If you're with your friend, your family, put your arm around your...
Yo, we got a swag! Swag! And you go real fast, Wipe it down. to London. Where my London crew are, yeah? You thought I was finished? When I moved to ask me why I thought it was ready. Touching on these niggas, I'm like, pop out on this feeling. Couple of niggas, that's my titties. Say the captain, I'm lieutenant. I'm the top cat, and me can't be burnt like a rope. The Lambo, my new bitch, you ride like my goat. I'm right around my city with my hands up on my toes. Don't give me this money, kid. And that's how I make it up. Cause I gotta need that bill money, my son needs some.
Rastaman.
Ladies, so much. What? Bring up again.
They talking shit, arguing. It's dudes. The dude's getting involved now. Oh, hello. How are you? Hey guys, we made it to Rainbow Café. We're here.
And then you swim to the boat.
Ain't nobody going to no French side at 9 o'clock in the morning. We made it, we made it.
She a baddie, she know that she pressed. She fur glowing, I'ma say it's impressive. Get to a bed however she wants. You can do what you want if you want to. She a baddie, she know she gon' run it up. Send me the 80, you already know I'm gon' slide. I be the soldier in the field for you. They be acting, they ain't really outside. Tany B in this lit. Tany B get the bag. Tany B in this lit. Tany B get the bag.